Kawatsi Hopa. Hi, my name is Rachel Riley. I work as a Prevention and Health Promotion Specialist with the Pueblo of Acoma. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY face mask, which is now an official recommendation by the CDC as a preventative measure for coronavirus. I hope you enjoy this video and we'll see you next time.
Before we begin, I want to make a few notes about wearing a face mask. First, make sure the mask has a snug fit. It should cover the nose, mouth, and chin. When making your face mask, try to include multiple layers of fabric. Face masks should not be put on individuals who aren't able to remove the masks themselves. When you start using your mask, make sure to wash them after every use. If your mask has a filter pocket, make sure to change that filter with every use also. When removing your mask, be careful not to touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, and make sure to wash your hands immediately after you remove the mask also. So there's different ways you can make a no-sew face mask. For this one, I used a 14-inch by 6-inch piece of cotton fabric, 2 strips of fabric, also 14 inches in length, a ruler, coffee filter, and a piece of scissors. And for this one, I just used an old t-shirt, so feel free to use whatever fabric you have on hand. So we're going to take our bigger piece of fabric and lay it out in front of us lengthwise. Then we're going to take our coffee filter and fold in 2 edges so that it makes more of a rectangle shape. And then we're going to fold down the top piece of fabric in over the coffee filter and then fold in that bottom piece. And then we're going to take our scissors and make 4 incisions, 1 in each corner, about a 1/2 inch in length. Next, we're going to take those 2 strips of fabric and stretch those out a little bit. And then we're going to insert those strips into the incisions that we made. I used my scissors to help push them through. I forgot to mention in the last clip that when you make those incisions, make sure that you are making the incisions through all 3 layers of the fabric. For this next step, all we're going to do is take each side and tie them off. Now your face mask is ready to wear, so you can either tie it around to the back of your head or use the 2 strips to tie around your ears, whichever feels more comfortable to you. I also want to make note that depending on the size of your face and your head, you might need to adjust the sizes of the fabric so you can make sure you get that snug fit. Again, as a reminder, make sure that you're changing out that filter every day and you're washing your face mask after every use. Other than that, I hope you all enjoyed this video and we'll see you all next time. Bye.